How to run Windows 11 on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open Play Store and search on Windows 11 simulator. Then just install these apps on your device. It is totally safe, so don't worry about your safety issue. So once done, press on open or go back to your apps menu, then you are able to see this application. Now your phone as a, go to agree and just allow permission, go back. Now your phone look like Windows 11. So now you can enjoy your Windows 11 feature. So if you exit it, want to exit it, just press on this icon and close the apps. It's back to normal again. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.